Have you ever wondered why Chinese individuals have earned a reputation for being exceptional at saving money? There's a reason why they're known for being experts at handling their finances, and in this video, we will delve into the cultural, historical, and practical factors that have contributed to this remarkable skill. This is Foxfire Finance, and we are committed to spreading the great news and concepts of the FIRE movement to anyone dreaming of a better life. We aim to help you achieve your goals by providing meaningful tips and strategies that will bring you closer to your dreams of financial independence and retiring early. But first, don't forget to subscribe, burn the bell, and ring the notification bell to be updated on our latest releases to guide you on your way to FIRE. In order for us to understand what's happening today, it's best to always have a good look at history. The Chinese people have rich cultures, and clearly, money is a big part of us. To unravel the origins of China's remarkable saving culture, let's take a journey back to ancient times. Chinese philosophy, notably Confucianism and Taoism, has played a pivotal role in shaping their approach to finance. These ancient teachings have instilled values of thriftiness and frugality, promoting the idea that saving for the future is not just practical but also virtuous. These age-old principles have had a lasting impact, contributing to the strong saving habits and financial wisdom that we associate with Chinese individuals today. It's a fascinating blend of history and philosophy that continues to influence their financial mindset. In ancient China, people relied on ingenious tools like the abacus and practiced prudent financial planning to navigate their finances astutely. The abacus, a simply yet highly effective calculating device, enabled precise calculations and helped them keep meticulous records. This commitment to careful financial management was driven by the belief that responsible stewardship of resources was vital for personal and societal well-being. These ancient practices exemplify the deep-rooted traditions that have contributed to the Chinese reputation for financial prudence, a legacy that continues to shape their approach to money management today. Cultural influences are pivotal in shaping the Chinese approach to saving money, and one standout tradition is the exchange of red envelopes during Chinese New Year, known as Hongbao or Lai Si. These 5 envelopes are filled with money and are often given by older generations to younger ones as a gesture of goodwill and blessings for the coming year. The practice instills a sense of financial responsibility from an early age. Young recipients are encouraged to save a portion of the money for the future, reinforcing the value of thriftiness and the importance of building a financial cushion. Moreover, it strengthens family bonds by showcasing the idea of sharing and mutual support. This tradition also carries a deeper cultural significance as it is believed to ward off evil spirits and bring good fortune. Consequently, the act of giving and receiving red envelopes transcends mere monetary exchange. It symbolizes well-wishing, unity, and the collective endeavor to secure a prosperous future. The strong family unit in Chinese culture also encourages responsible financial behavior, as families often help each other during times of need. Okay, enough with the past. Let's fast forward to the present and see how the Chinese keep their reputation of being great with money management in today's settings. China's extraordinary economic growth over the past few decades has reshaped not only its landscape but also its financial mindset. As incomes have risen and prosperity has spread, there's been a heightened emphasis on financial security. This newfound prosperity has given rise to an increased focus on long-term financial planning and saving for the future. One of the most remarkable changes has been the rapid adoption of digital payment systems and financial technology. China has emerged as a global leader in the use of mobile payment apps such as Alipay and WeChat Pay. These apps have revolutionized the way people manage their finances, making saving, investing, and even budgeting more accessible and convenient than ever before. The convenience of digital payments extends to micro-investing platforms, where individuals can easily invest small amounts of money in various financial projects. This not only encourages saving but also introduces people to the world of investing, fostering a more financially literate population. Furthermore, the Chinese government has taken steps to encourage saving and investment through various policies and initiatives. All these factors combined have ushered in a new era of financial awareness and responsibility, making it easier for people to secure their financial futures in a rapidly changing economic landscape. Education holds a special place in Chinese culture, and parents often prioritize it as one of the most important investments they can make in their children's future. Alongside academic knowledge, Chinese parents place a strong emphasis on teaching their children about financial responsibility from an early age. This includes instilling the values of thriftiness, budgeting, and saving. One crucial aspect of this financial education is the focus on planning for the future. Chinese families commonly engage in long-term financial planning, with an emphasis on saving for significant life events such as education and retirement. The goal is to ensure that children have the resources they need to pursue higher education, setting them up for success. Additionally, parents themselves are keen on saving for their retirement years, understanding the importance of financial security in old age. The commitment to financial education and planning not only benefits individual families but also contributes to the overall financial stability of the nation. It fosters a culture of saving, prudence, and fiscal responsibility that extends across generations, helping to ensure a financially secure future for Chinese families and society as a whole. Chinese people have honed practical money-saving strategies that are ingrained in their daily lives. One notable example is the widespread use of public transportation. Opting for buses, subways, and trains instead of owning cars not only reduces expenses on fuel, maintenance, and parking, but also minimizes environmental impact. Sharing resources is another prevalent practice. Whether it's sharing a ride, splitting the cost of meals, or cohabiting with extended family, Chinese individuals embrace the idea that sharing reduces individual financial burdens and promotes a sense of community. Additionally, finding discounts and deals is a national pastime. Chinese consumers are savvy when it comes to leveraging promotions, coupons, and group buying to secure the best prices on everything from groceries to luxury items. These practical approaches to saving money reflect a culture that values frugality and resourcefulness, emphasizing the importance of making the most of every yuan. It's an approach that not only supports individual financial health, but also contributes to a more sustainable and financially resilient society. In the modern era, Chinese people face new challenges in saving money. The digital age brings increased temptation for spending, but also more tools for managing finances. The Chinese reputation for financial prowess is the result of a rich tapestry of historical, cultural, and practical influences. Historically, ancient Chinese philosophies like Confucianism and Taoism have promoted values of thriftiness, prudence, and the importance of saving for future generations. These deep-rooted beliefs laid the foundation for China's saving culture. Culturally, practices like the tradition of giving and receiving red envelopes during Chinese New Year instill the habit of saving and financial blessings from a young age. The strong emphasis on family and communal support also reinforces responsible financial behavior. In modern times, China's economic growth has brought about increased financial awareness, supported by the widespread adoption of digital payment systems and financial technology. These innovations have made saving, investing, and budgeting more accessible and convenient. The Chinese expertise in saving money is an inspiring blend of traditional wisdom and adaptability to the changing times, demonstrating how history and culture continue to shape financial habits in an evolving world. It's a testament to their commitment to securing a prosperous future for themselves and their families. The Chinese have a long history of being really good at saving and managing their money, and now we know why. There's plenty to pick up from their money handling skills, but let's not forget that no matter where you're from, the key to financial success is finding a good balance between saving and investing. So while we admire the Chinese way of doing things, let's also remember that adopting sensible money habits and making smart financial choices can lead to a secure and prosperous future for all of us. Did you find this video helpful? If you did, then burn that like button and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more tips on how you can reach your financial goals. Until next time, we are Foxfire Finance and keep that fire burning.